Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the HP Multimedia Wireless Keyboard and Mouse, commonly known as the Slim Wireless Combo. On the front of the package, we can see the keyboard and mouse itself. We can see the HP branding on the top. We can see a slogan saying Advanced Optical Navigation Technology for High Precision Operation underneath that. On the right hand side, we have a couple of salient features. It has a range of 10 meters. The keyboard has a sealed membrane. It has a brushed aluminum finish. It has advanced controls, a responsive cursor, and a streamlined keyboard. Over here are the exact same specifications but written out. On the bottom are the same specifications once again. On the left hand side and on the right hand side of the packaging, we can see some branding saying Enhanced HP Experience. On the top is the same thing as we saw on the bottom. And on the back is where some more technical specifications of the product are. First of all, we have images of the keyboard and mouse, this time in different angles. Let's go through the keyboard specifications first. It has a stylish and ultra slim design. It has 2.4G wireless technology with 10-meter working range and a nano receiver. It has an energy saving design and standby function. It also has multimedia keys, 104 keys in total plus 8 hotkeys. The keys are high quality and soft and silent. It can be easily cleaned thanks to flat square designed keys. They are also ultra durable and are UV ink printed. It is Windows and Mac compatible. What you need to make the keyboard function is one AAA battery. Getting to the specifications of the mouse, it is also stylish and ultra slim in its design, works off the 2.4G wireless technology, same as the keyboard. It has a professional optical sensor with a direct DPI switch, which can switch it between 800, 1200 and 1600 DPI. It also has an energy saving design and has an on-off switch, and it has a standby function as well. The switches on the mouse are built for over 2 million clicks. It is designed for professionals or even for gaming. It is also usable with Windows and Mac and needs two AAA batteries to function. To the right, we have a sticker that shows off some of the manufacturing and importing information. On the bottom of that, we have the details for the customer care. Underneath that, we have some words saying designed in Europe, and we also have some symbols that show off the recycling and disposal of the product once you're done with using it. Right in the middle, we have a barcode, and underneath that, we have the exact serial number of this particular unit. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the package, what we get is some literature in the form of a quick start guide. This should help you get started off with using the product. We also have the worldwide warranty information, but we recommend that you look at the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also get the 3 batteries that we are going to need to start off with using the keyboard and the mouse, and we have this USB Type A receiver. We would need to plug this into a PC or a laptop to use the keyboard and mouse. So let's start with the keyboard first. The keys themselves have a tactile feel. The keyboard is a sealed membrane kind of keyboard. Up top, we have some shortcut ease of life buttons. Overall, the keyboard has a brushed metal finish around here, around everywhere except the keys, and the keys have a grainy plastic finish. The keys themselves are printed in white and are completely readable against the black background. We also get the HP logo right above the up arrow key. Underneath the keyboard, we get these two mounts that you can use to adjust the keyboard in a slightly angled way for greater comfort if that is what you need. We also get these two rubber pads as feet so that it does not move around on a smooth surface. We also have this slot right here that the battery can be put into. All the keyboard needs is one AAA battery, and this should be good to go. On the underside, we also have a sticker with the serial number and model number of the product, and over here we can see the symbol that shows that it is BIS certified. That's about it in terms of the keyboard. Let's go to the mouse now. Although the top of the mouse is made from plastic, it does have a brushed metal finish to match the look of the keyboard. The scroll wheel has a transparent finish on the sides and a rubberized finish right in the middle. Behind that, we have the CPI button that can toggle between the various DPI modes of this mouse. On the left hand side where your thumb would lie, and on the right hand side is a dotted golf ball like finish which provides good grip. We also have the HP logo once again and the serial number of the product. Here we have the on off switch that we can use. Basically, if the mouse is not going to be in use for a while, we can just put it on off and that would save battery. While on the subject of the battery, here is the slot for the battery and batteries. In this case, we can open it and start and place the batteries in it. We can see that it immediately lights up and that shows that it is ready for use. We also have this compartment right here underneath on the bottom of the mouse where the USB receiver can be fit into. So this was the unboxing of the HP Multimedia wireless keyboard and mouse. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.